So to create our outdoor Wi-Fi connection, we're going to be installing one of these dual band wireless access points. So this will cable back to the main PoE switch, and this will create our external Wi-Fi connectivity. But it will also mesh with the internal Wi-Fi connectivity, so devices can move from the main house into the garden, and the system will automatically hand those devices over, so there'll be no loss of connection. So if anyone's on a video call or streaming music, there'll be no loss in connectivity. So this is the RG RAP52OD outdoor access point. See at the top here we've got two antennas, so that's what's going to give us our Wi-Fi into the garden, so we can adjust that to ensure we get the coverage that we need. Got an Ethernet port at the bottom here, that's PoE+. There's also a reset button if we need to factory reset the unit for any reason. Got a curved mount on the back here, so we can actually mount that to a pole or to a downpipe, which is what we're doing today. The system also comes with a flat mount wall bracket, so that will slip into a wall bracket as well. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So we've run an external Ethernet cable or Cat5e cable out here to this downpipe, and we're going to mount this outdoor access point to the downpipe and connect it here back to our PoE switch. So we can see we've got a rain guard here, which we've installed, so that will stop any water ingress. The system also has a cover which clicks over the back, so that will also stop any water ingress, any dust ingress, hopefully any creatures getting in and causing any problems. So this is the unit installed. You can see we've just simply cable tied it to the downpipe here. I've set the antennas so they point down the garden, so we can start receiving Wi-Fi down towards the end of the garden. So the rest of the setup is done in the app, but we can actually check from here that the unit is connected. Not only is it connected and receiving data, but we can also access it via the cloud, so we can make adjustments on the Ruji Rai app. So we're now at the back of the garden, about 90 feet away from the back of the property. We've got full Wi-Fi here. We're not experiencing the same speeds we're getting at the house, but it's only ever so slightly less, but we expect that when we're 90 feet away from the Wi-Fi access point. We've got an audio system here which is being fed by the house, so we can now control the volume. We can control what music is playing down here using the app. Essentially, we've continued the Wi-Fi from the house into the garden. So now we can stream, we can WhatsApp, and we can also control this audio system from the back of the garden. So here's a simple overview of the topography of the system. You can see we've got our internet coming into our switch. We've got a green tick there, so we're connected to the internet, and we've got our two access points. We have our RAP52OD and our RAP2200E. So one is our external access point, that's the 52OD, and our internal access point is the RAP2200. These create a wired mesh network which offer automatic handover, so devices can pass between each access point, automatically handing over between each of them, so never losing connection.